Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking a deep look at one of the most powerful and bold luxury motorhome concepts ever imagined, the RAM TRX Mega Camper. This concept takes the aggressive DNA of the RAM TRX muscle truck and transforms it into a gigantic, ultra-long luxury motorhome built for adventure, dominance, and premium comfort. Let's begin with the exterior design. From the very first glance, this motorhome looks like a fortress on wheels. The front end is defined by an oversized and aggressive grille with the bold RAM logo placed right at the center. Sharp LED headlights stretch outward from the grille, giving the motorhome a focused and commanding expression. The muscular hood rises high, adding to the sense of power and strength. The body is extremely long and tall, built on a stretched, heavy-duty 6x6 chassis. This gives the motorhome a strong foundation and a massive road presence. The wide, armored body panels make it feel protected and tough, while the extra-high roofline adds to its towering appearance. Every line and angle reflects the design language of the RAM TRX, but on a much larger and more luxurious scale. The black and red color scheme creates a dramatic contrast. Matte black sections give the motorhome a stealthy and rugged look, while glossy red accents highlight its curves and sharp edges. Carbon fiber and metal details are placed across the body, especially along the lower panels and aerodynamic sections, giving it a premium and performance-inspired character. One of the most striking features is the panoramic side windows that run along the entire length of the motorhome. These windows make the huge body feel more open and elegant, while allowing natural light to flow into the interior. Rooftop LED light bars add a futuristic touch, while solar panels on the roof support long-distance travel and modern energy needs. The suspension is lifted high, and the massive off-road tires sit inside wide wheel arches that emphasize the motorhome's muscular stance. These tires are built for rough terrain, but they still look refined enough for a luxury setting. Now let's step inside and explore the interior of the RAM TRX Mega Camper. The driver cabin is designed like a luxury truck cockpit. The dashboard is wide and elevated, giving the driver a commanding view of the road. A large panoramic windshield opens up the front and fills the cabin with daylight. Moving into the main living area, the interior opens into a compact but well-designed luxury space. The layout follows a realistic motorhome structure with a narrow width, making efficient use of the long body. The walls and ceiling feature smooth panels with carbon fiber textures and metallic accents inspired by the RAM TRX design language. A long sofa on one side is finished in black leather with red highlights and metallic framing. Built-in shelves and cabinets are placed along the walls, offering storage without making the space feel crowded. The polished, dark floor reflects the lighting gently, adding depth and elegance to the space. The ceiling design features layered panels with integrated light strips that stretch along the length of the motorhome. This gives the interior a futuristic and flowing look, reinforcing the sense of motion and modern design. Toward the rear section, the sleeping area is designed as a compact luxury space for rest. The bed is positioned along the length of the motorhome and provides comfort for two people while keeping the layout realistic and narrow. The surrounding walls use smooth, dark panels and soft red ambient lighting to create a peaceful and private atmosphere. Technology plays an important role throughout the interior. Touch panels control lighting, climate, and entertainment systems. Hidden speakers provide high-quality sound without interrupting the design. Air vents and functional elements are carefully integrated so they remain subtle and visually pleasing. What makes this interior special is how it balances rugged character with luxury comfort. It does not feel like a simple camper.
Instead, it feels like a high-end mobile lounge inspired by a muscle truck. Every surface, from the dashboard to the seating area, reflects strength, style, and modern engineering. The panoramic windows give the interior a sense of openness and freedom, while the bold black and red theme keeps the atmosphere powerful and dynamic. The combination of carbon fiber, metal, and leather materials create a premium environment that perfectly matches the aggressive exterior. Overall, the RAM TRX Mega Camper concept represents a new vision of luxury adventure travel. Its exterior showcases dominance, size, and toughness, while the interior offers comfort, technology, and refined design. This motorhome is built for those who want to travel with confidence and style without giving up the thrill of powerful design. From the massive grille and towering body to the elegant lounge and advanced cockpit, every detail reflects a balance between muscle and luxury. The RAM TRX Mega Camper is not just a vehicle, it is a statement of strength, innovation, and modern travel. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more incredible luxury motorhome concepts and futuristic vehicle designs.